yeah, the mirrors closing, this mechanism is quite useful, but in my opinion not always. And the question is how to disable this this option, let's say, yeah, when you want to lock the door. I just want to lock the door, yeah, not close the mirrors. So how to disable this mechanism? It's quite easy actually. So to do it, we need to push simultaneously up arrow, yeah, and the button that we usually use to close the mirrors. Simultaneously push them and keep pushing for a couple of seconds. And actually this should already help. Let's see if it really helps. Done. Wish you luck, guys. Bye.